After reviewing all our old strategies, one by one, right from the time we started Utrading, I have found out that there's one strategy that's better than the rest. Before I explain why, let's get back to that strategy. Allow me to give you the full settings, and then I will explain the reasons why you need to go back to this strategy afresh. But before we continue, let me go through this account. As you can see, this is one of my downlines, and one of my best downlines is named Zua. It's the best performing team in my team. He came in with $500, and if you realize, he joined on November 11. He sent me this screenshot on the 8th of December this month, and today is the 23rd of December. After this period of time, about 1 month, he was able to make this money. If you calculate that from just yesterday, he made over $500, as we are going to see on this same date. He sent me these coins, and I recommended these coins for him, and it is what he has been trading. He has never changed the coin, and he doesn't stop his bots. If he stops a bot, he opens that same bot, and on the 8th of December, this is what he sent me. And these were the earnings by that time. Now, do you want to see how much he earned just yesterday? Let me go back to my UT rating and then tap on more and then tap on team. Wow, I even see I just received some money right here. That sounds good. That's the good of this business. I didn't even expect this. I will show you how. I think I should just show you a little bit about this. So just today alone, I have been able to make this money. As you can see here, I've been able to make this. This is just a referral commission. This is the total of the income I've earned, and that's not what has brought us here. That was just a surprise for me. So this is my team, and I need to look for him. I follow him very, very well because he's one of the people who inspires me, though he's my downline. So let me search for him and show you what he just made. Yes, in yesterday's pump, all of us know that yesterday was a very good day for every trader, as far as our formulas are concerned. When I tap on bots, you can see this is what he made just yesterday. He was able to get about $400 from Solana and this and this and this. That's it. I think everyone wants to make money like this. Now, to make money like this, follow this video to the end. Should you just skip one part, you're going to miss everything. Understand that the settings I'm going to give you are going to look a little bit familiar to you, but should you skip one step, you are going to miss everything. The most important thing is that the reason I want us to follow this strategy very well is for you to listen to this video to the end and get the real point behind this video. So, pay attention to this. Let's get to the settings, and then I will explain why these settings. So, for you to make money like my downline that you've just seen, maybe people are saying that you are showing us your downline. What about you? I need to tap here and see my profit. Just today, I made 8. This is my tutorial account. This is my tutorial account. All of you have been seeing this account, and this is how I've been running. You also realize that I try to avoid the downward movement of the graph. What I mean is this. I always try to avoid this kind of movement in the graph. No, I always want my graph to go like this, as you can see. So, these are my earnings. Let's get to the business. First, you need to have specific coins to trade. Never just pick coins anyhow. That's number 1. I've already started. Number 2, after choosing the coins you want to trade, tap on trades. When you tap on trades, tap on robot. When you tap on robot, choose the bot that you want to use. Most of the people who are trading features, they choose this AI DCA feature, but I recommend everyone to choose a DCA feature. The reason being, here you can set everything freely. Now, after doing that, you are going to tap on Start. Come here and tap on BTC USDT. Of course, that's a default pair. So we are going to choose the pair of our choice. I think this time I need to choose Doge. This is just for the tutorial, I told you. You need to be keen on which coins you want to trade. After choosing Doge, tap on OK. So this is Doge. I'm going to tap on Doge, and then after choosing the coin, the next step is to choose long. In this season, it is a bullish season, and everyone is expected to trade long. Never trade short and shock. Right now, I've given you, maybe if you want to trade the two, wait until late 2025. But for now, I advise everyone to trade long. So, I'm going to tap on long. The next step after tapping on long, you are going to choose the leverage. Always choose the maximum leverage. So for that case, let me choose the maximum leverage here. The maximum leverage, which is 50. I have chosen the maximum leverage. After choosing the maximum leverage, of course, the next thing is to choose to reduce the maximum orders to 1. Most of the people ask me why I always reduce the maximum order to 1. The max order helps to reduce the speed, the average speed of the floating loss. And whenever I keep your max orders to 75, just know that every time the market goes against you, your floating loss increases terribly. So, that means you need to reduce your maximum orders to 1 or at least 2. Smallest, yes. Now we have reduced our maximum orders to 1. We are now going to do the calculations. Remember, I told you we were going to follow this strategy. Divide the leverage by the count and multiply it by the initial position, and we're going to modify it by multiplying it by the number of dollars we want. I'm going to explain everything and tell you why we are not supposed to do this. So, let's get back here. As I said, we are going to divide the leverage by the count and multiply it by the initial position. So, this is 50 divided by 6. 50 divided by 6, you get, of course, 8.3. And then you're going to multiply it by the initial position times 64. You get 50.33. We are going to round this off, and we will, of course, get 533. Just so we get 533 if we round off. Now, if we put this answer here, if we bring here 533, here we will be trading with $1, as you can see right here. You can also see that the leverage is equal to the account. That means we'll be trading with just $1. Listen to this carefully. If you have less than $100, you should never exceed your count. Should never exceed 3. Never trade with more than $3. If you have between $100 and $250, the maximum amount you can use to trade is maybe 6. If you have between $250 and $500, the maximum number of orders you can go for is at most 9. I mean, the number of dollars you can trade with is at least 9 as your margin. If you have $500 and above, then you can go up to almost 15, but never exceed 15. However much you love money, never exceed 15 as your margin. I mean, the trading dollars. I think I'm clear here. I have less than 100, so in that case, I need to trade with $3. When I talk too much, you get lost. Let me do this practically. Remember, this is the answer that we got, but that is trading with $1. I want to trade for $3. What do? I have to multiply this figure by 3. So I'm going to come up here and then multiply this times 3. I will get 1,599. So I'm going to put here 1,599. In that case, you can see that if you divide the account by the leverage this time, you'll get 3. That means I'll be trading with 3. After looking at all this, you are now free to launch. I am going to launch. I have launched this. Now the next step is to confirm that my bot is running. I can also see that my bot is running. Am I trading with $3? Let us find out. The only way to do that is to go to Binance and open my Binance account. When I open my Binance account, I need to tap on features. When you tap on features, then you need to tap on positions. And then we can confirm that. As you can see, I have some running orders already. As you already saw from there. And then this is our bot that we just launched. And we can all confirm that we are trading with $3 as our margin. Now I want to teach you something. You need to understand the risks involved in this, and you can control that risk 100%. I've been telling people this, and that's why the other account that I showed you is very, very successful. We went through this and learned this. Now you realize that to control your risk, you need to know how much a particular coin needs for your trade to run smoothly. To do that, you need to tap on Stop Profit and Loss. Tap on Position, Stop Profit and Loss. And then, the first thing you're supposed to do is come here, where there is a stop-loss trigger price. You need to. If you look at this coin here, it is at 0.09. Always, I want to make this simple. I'm not going to do the analysis. Always give it at least a half of that coin. These coins rarely drop, especially in this bull run. They rarely drop by a half. So that means I will not want this coin to drop to almost 0.04. If that happens, this coin drops up to 0.04, or I can even put 0.05. That's relatively small. And then I see here, how much do I need? Now I know very well that this coin just requires a total capital of $70. Then that means I need to top up, like $100, to run this coin. If I have dollars right now, I need to top up another $70 to make $100. That means I will never get liquidated, no matter what. That's why the other account that I showed you in the beginning is very, very successful. He never sets a stop loss. We already know that the account needs this amount of money and will never be liquidated. Again, don't rush to spend too much money. That's why I've given you the option to trade with $3 and above. If you expect money, you can top up to $6, of course, to get some reasonable money. You need to trade with 5 margins, at least 5 margins, but follow this procedure very well. Now somebody may ask me, should I tap on confirm? I would say no, because Utrading is doing that for you. If you feel you don't have money and you don't want to lose all this $70, you can just always go to Utrading. Now that you've known that you need $70, what I advise you to do is just top up that money to make at least $100 for that particular coin and know that you're very safe. But this is another tip. We have seen that the coin needs $70 to run smoothly without getting liquidated, but that doesn't necessarily mean that you need to have that money. You can have $70 and top up that money only when you see that the market is going against you. That means for this strategy, you can even start with about $30 and watch your bot. Somebody with $100 can use this strategy. You can just set your bot and do other things. You have $500. Set your bot and relax. Nothing will ever happen to your account, just like you saw this account that I showed you. I told you this account was joined on the 1st of November, and on the 8th of December, I made this money. Yesterday alone, I made another $600. That means this account has made a total profit of $2,000 in just 2 months, with a capital of $500. You too can make it after these settings. This is what I told you. Listen to this carefully. After setting this, there is no need for you to fear getting liquidated, and you should never change coins. Never panic while trading. Never change coins because your friends have made a lot of money. Please, never, ever do that. If you follow the words I've told you, you are going to be very, very successful in your trades. I think this video has been very, very helpful to you. If the video has been helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share the video with your friends. One other thing, allow me to do this because this is very, very vital. If you've been watching this video until now, you're one of the luckiest people. Now, if you're following this procedure, I need you to understand it. I recently posted this, and I want you to look at it. When you're trading, I want you to understand that the current price will be beaten by 2, and these coins will make this price. In every setting that you do before 2025, every coin that you're trading, make sure that you're trading the right coin. If you're trading the right coin, just know that that coin will go to an all-time high. Go and look at the highest price of that coin ever since it was launched using CoinMarketCap. CoinMarketCap will tell you when that coin reached its all-time high. Let's say, for example, that I need to choose Bitcoin, which everyone knows. You find that Bitcoin went up to $69,000, and today, as we talk, it is just at $43,000. I want you to learn this. In every Bitcoin, in every bull run, the highest price is doubled by 2. So that means a Bitcoin trader should look at Bitcoin to hit $120,000. If you have that kind of mindset, you'll never stop your bot until it hits its all-time high. I mean, the coin. And in that case, by December 2025, you will be the richest if you follow this video very well. I hope it's going to help you. I just want to wish you good luck in your trading journey. Bye for now.